Hello, this is Dr. Shruti Jain. Today I have given a career guidance workshop at Saraswati Vidya Vihar, Asalbas Dubia, and it was a fabulous and awesome experience for me. Students here at Saraswati Vidya Vihar school, they are very brilliant and lots of aspirations they have. And I'm looking for a better future for them with lots of good career pathways coming out, and I hope they will just get a good career journey with getting lots of career aspirations. They should secure at least a career pathway which is actually fulfilled with their aptitude, personality and interest. Thank you.